Tortigloini alla vodka. Y'all ready? Let's go! First, to make our vodka sauce, we're going to be taking extra virgin olive oil, then adding in our Dutch oven with some yellow onions chopped, 4 cloves of garlic minced, Italian sausage, sauteed till brown, just like so. Then adding in 4 ounces of tomato paste, crushed red pepper, smoked paprika, salt and pepper to taste goes in next. Add some crushed tomatoes, 3/4 cup of heavy cream. It's a nice gentle mix. 1/4 cup of any kind of vodka you have. Smoke this at 275 degrees with competition blend. Back inside, we're going to be taking our tortellini, cooked till al dente. Once that's ready, we're going to be adding our pasta back into the sauce, just like so. Adding in a 1/2 cup of pasta water to thicken up the sauce. And then 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan goes on top. Playtime! Garnishing this with some grated Parmesan and Italian parsley. Wine served today with now Madrid Sauvignon Blanc from Italy. Profiles of intense straw with beautiful depth color, notes of grass drippings, citrus lemon peels, and aromatic flavors. And there we have it, an amazing tortellini pasta alla vodka. As always, please do like, subscribe for all future recipes, and have a good day now, you hear? Bye-bye!